Introducing the UV Care Ultra Clean Hydrovac Plus, your all-in-one solution for cleaning and sanitizing your home. Discover how to effectively use this to transform your cleaning routine. Watch our step-by-step guide for a cleaner and healthier home. First, let's assemble your unit. Place the charging base on a flat and even surface against the wall. Plug in the adapter to the charging base. Plug the adapter to the power socket. Place the accessories on its corresponding slot on the vacuum charging base. Assembling the handheld vacuum and mop base. To install the handheld vacuum to the mop base, lift the latch upward. Insert the handheld vacuum into the mop base. Make sure that it is correctly aligned. Push the release latch downward to secure it in place. Charging. Here's 2 ways you can charge the unit. To charge the entire machine, dock the vacuum to the charging base. Another option is to charge the battery pack. Simply take the battery pack out and put it on the slot at the charging base. Mop function. To start, you'll need to fill up your clean water tank. Press down the release button and pull out the clean water tank outwards. Remove the cover and fill the tank with clean water up to the maximum line. Add the UV Care antibacterial solution, about 10 milliliters, into the tank. Close the tank cover. Reinstall the clean water tank and make sure it clicks into place. Let's start mopping. Recline the vacuum backwards to start. Power on the unit. Vacuum and wash floors in one go. Modes. This vacuum offers a variety of cleaning modes to power through dirt and debris. AI mode automatically identifies messes and optimizes power for more efficient cleaning. Press the mode button to switch to different modes. Maximum mode increases suction power to up to 12 kPa. Dry vacuum mode picks up dirt, dust, and debris for a thorough clean without the mop. Electrolyzed water sterilization mode converts the water in the tank to a powerful floor disinfectant. Quick switch attachments. Switch tools in seconds to meet every cleaning need. Self-cleaning and drying. To start, dock the unit on the charging base. Make sure there is sufficient water in the clean water tank and the dirty water tank is below 1/3 capacity. There are 2 drying modes. For self-cleaning with roller brush drying, briefly press the mode button.
Self-cleaning.
For self-cleaning with full cycle drying, long press the mode button for 3 seconds.
Full cycle self-cleaning.
So there you have it. Cleaning made super easy with the UV Care Ultra Clean Hydrovac Plus. Your ultimate defense against allergens and germs.